Hey, welcome back. Today's video is a review of Sparkle & Co.'s glass slipper collection. Wow, that's a mouthful. I ordered the minis of these, and they also sent along this pink wrist rest, which is really nice of them. They always send along a little extra in each of their packages. I'm going to be swatching each of these, and then I'll go into a tutorial section of the video. So I will hush now, and let's get into swatches. Alrighty, I am back. As you can see, I have Jasmine's glass slippers on my right hand, and it is absolutely beautiful. It is a blue with gold sparkles, and I'll be putting it on my right hand, so cue the speed up. I'm doing my usual dip application on these. I'm doing 3 layers, I believe, a clear cap, and then a gel top coat. I have also put a little stripe of clear underneath my nails just to give them some strength because they are getting quite long. So a bit more about this collection. You can buy each of the powders separately on the website. You can also buy them with the swatch sticks included, or you can buy them in the larger jars. I purchased the minis without swatch sticks because I take a lot of joy in swatching things myself. That retails for $67 US. Don't ask me how much it was in Australian dollars because I don't even want to think about it. So all in all, you can purchase if there was one colour you liked more than the others. You can purchase it separately on your own. They also do have on their website a 5 minis discount at the moment, so you can purchase 5 mini jars of your colours of choice for a bit of a discount. I think it's $40 US, but I don't know for sure. So these glitters all have the same makeup, I guess. They are all a glitter powder with chunky glitter in them and holographic flakies. It was very difficult to work with, but nothing impossible. Once I got onto the second layer, I was quite used to how it works and didn't really have too many issues other than glitter flying everywhere, but as I'm sure I've said a million times before, it's glitter. If it doesn't go everywhere, it's not actually glitter, it's just fake. Also, just in case anyone is curious, I will put in the description box how I do my swatches. I did speed through it just because we would have been sitting here forever. But yeah, I will put that info down below just in case anyone's curious. I do also have another Sparkle & Co video coming up. I'm still waiting on my July sub bag. That's to no fault of Sparkle & Co at all. Being overseas, shipping just takes forever and a day at the moment. That's not an issue. Look, it's to be expected when you live far away from the company that's shipping it. So I really don't have an issue with that, other than the fact that I want my 80s themed neon colours. So that itty bitty sub bag review will be coming as soon as I receive that package. Okay, so I filed and buffed off camera just because it saves a lot of time. I didn't really want to sit there, and especially with glitter, it's important that you clear cap, but I do find that filing takes just a little bit longer to make sure that you're not losing any of the shininess. So I'm now going in with my no wipe top coat, curing it for a minute, and we'll be back when we're done. Alrighty, all finished. I, all in all, absolutely love this collection. All of the glitters are stunning. They are so gorgeous, look amazing, and then honestly not too hard to apply. So thanks very much for watching. If you liked the video, please hit that like button and give me a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.